Assalamu alaikum everyone. Azhar Kamran is here. Today we are here to discuss the book summary, A New Region: How to Live Your Life Positively Through Happiness, Human Help, Hope, and Wealth. In the H plus, there is only a belief in the potential of yourself and in the potential of your fellow human beings. H plus is set as a framework for the development of this potential. You believe that you can act in a certain way or that you will eventually be to able to act in this way. H plus compatible. H plus is a way of life that is fully compatible with any other religion or framework. Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and Hinduism, etc. Different. Most religion focus on avoiding sins and wrongdoing. With H plus, the emphasis is entire or positive action. We have to contribute and make a difference. Being a free of sins is not enough. H plus is a religious. H plus is a religion in the sense that Buddhism is a religion. H plus is a way of life, positive and negative. H plus is entirely positive. The emphasis is not on things that are to be avoided, but on things that we are able to be done. The H plus stand for human plus. The plus indicate the best of positive aspects of humanity. There are also well-known negative aspects such as fear, violence, aggressions, etc. There is no wish that people should be perfect robots. Happiness is also a central to H plus. Happiness needs to become a deliberate habit and not just the feelings when everything is perfect. There is more truth in happiness than in desire. Adjust and change. If you learn to adjust the present situation, you may to be happier about it. A proto truth is the truth that we hold to be true so long as we seeking to change it. Thinking and happiness. Society has paid for too little attention to thinking. This is unfortunate because thinking is most fundamental human skill and determines both our happiness and achievements. We have neglected to develop a constant constructive thinking, creative thinking, and design thinking habit. Happiness is an individual habit. Just like dieting, you may fail from time to time or even most of time, but you just keep on trying. Humors. No religion emphasize the importance of humor. It may be that humor was seen as a danger to the solemnity of the most religion. Attitude. Humor is an attitude, not just the ability to tell jokes. If someone set out the insult you sharing and do not feel insulted, then you are not insulted. Help. This is the fundamental principle of H plus. All of these possible and provide a great sense of achievement. You help yourself very directly by helping others. Hope. Hope is a key. During the Second World War, prisoners in concentration camps faced appealing conditions. Many of them kept by their hope over until they are finally liberated.